Hi everyone! Good morning! Good morning sa inyong lahat. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, medyo iba ang setup natin ngayong umaga. Okay. So, we are doing pick a card reading. Okay. Then mamaya, mag-upload tayo ulit ng general reading. So, ngayong umaga is meron tayong 18 plus pick a card reading. So, para sa mga young natin na nanonood ngayon, kindly please off your video kasi hindi po pwede sa inyo yung ating pick a card reading right now. Because this is an 18 plus reading, okay? So, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Happy weekend, okay? So, tingnan na natin kung anong lalabas. So, meron tayong dalawang pile. So, pile number 1 with this keyboard. Parang keyboard, keyboard chain. This is the pile number 1. Okay. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. Pile number 1. Okay. For pile number 2, hamburger chain. So, itong itsura niya. So, pili na kayo ng pile. Pile number 1 or pile number 2. Gagamit tayo ng sexual magic tarot deck. Okay. Pero, ilalayo natin siya para hindi maano ni YouTube. Okay. So, pili na kayo, pile number 1 or pile number 2. And then, maya-maya is mag-start na tayo. Meditate sa pile na sa tingin nyo mag-resonate sa inyo. Pile number 1 or pile number 2. Okay. I will give you some time, okay? Para makapag-ano kayo ng pile ninyo. Okay. So, I will fix my light lang muna. Pili na kayo. Pile number 1 or pile number 2. Okay. Okay. Kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, so let's start with pile number 1 with this chain. So, kamusta kayo guys? Titingnan natin, ano ba yung topic natin for today? Topic natin is, who has the hots for you? Who wants to be intimate sa inyo? Okay. Sino yung person na gusto kayong makasama? Wants to be intimate with you? Okay. Wants to taste you. Okay, so titingnan natin yan. Pile number 1. Tingnan natin kung ano iniisip ng person sa'yo. Ba't kanya gustong makasama? Ba't gusto niya maging intimate sa inyo? So, titingnan natin, guys. Okay. So, pile number 1, let's start your rating. Start with tarot deck. Who is this person? Bakit niya gustong maging intimate sa'yo? Okay. Oops. Okay, let's start. Pile number 1. Yung iba sa inyo could be a fire sign na pumili ng pile number 1, earth sign. Tingnan natin. First card. Uy! King of Swords. Air sign. Intelligent. King of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Uy! The Fool in reverse. Guys, sorry kung naririnig niyo yung pusa nung kapatid ko kasi in-hit siya ngayon. So, this person is reckless, okay, or fear. Having a fear, okay, going towards you. Meron ako nakuhang ganon. O pwede kasi siguro naging sneaky siya before. Or naging deceptive siya before. Sa inyo. Another earth sign again. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe this person is looking at you sa malayo. Tinitingnan ka nito sa malayo. So, pwedeng na-intimidate sa'yo, hindi makalapit. Vice versa, it could be you are the King of Swords. Okay. Uy. For some of you, this person, if this is a friend, this person always bully you. Inaasar ka. Okay. Reckless. Uy. Okay. For some of you, this is a person na naging deceptive sa'yo before at nag-cause ng heartbreak. Nang betray sa'yo before. Six of Cups. Past person. Who has the hots for you? Pile number 1. A past person. This person reminiscing yung pagiging intimate nyo sa isa't isa. And second card is the Lovers. This is an ex of yours. Pile number 1. This is an ex. The one who betrayed you before. Ito yung person na gustong maging intimate sa'yo. Ito yung person na it can be gusto kang makasama. Ulit, gusto kayong magkabalikan. This person is being sneaky sa'yo dati. Niloko ka nito, puts you in a third party situation, inabandon ka. Nagbigay ng confusion sa'yo, pile number 1. This person wants a reconciliation sa'yo kasi this is, he is being nostalgic. Okay. This person wants to return. Okay. Wants to return sa'yo. Gusto kang makita ulit. Makasama. Oo. Maybe some of you change your looks. Change your looks. Merong nag-upgrade sa inyo. Pero this person is having a fear to contact you or to go to you kung nasaan ka man. Nakikita ko merong fear tong person na to kasi meron siyang nagawang kasalanan sa'yo. Oo. Nag-cause to ng heartbreak sa'yo. Meron akong nakikita na this person is indecisive. Indecisive also when it comes to you. Whether pupunta ba siya sa'yo, may kipag-communicate ba siya sa'yo, or titingnan ka na lang niya, oh? This person feels we're in a 10 of swords right now. Feeling defeated. Maybe this person is bad-mouthing about you or bitter. Bitter right now about your endings. Bakit? O kasi kuha tayo ng hidden love messages. Okay, para sa inyo, pile number 1. Hidden love messages for my pile number 1. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng itong person na to is nagsisisi. Nagsisisi right now. This person is afraid to talk to you or go towards you. Yun lang kasi nararamdaman ko as of now. So, tingnan natin. Who has the hats for pile number 1? Who wants to be intimate? Oh, di ba? Conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice. This person wants to call you, wants to talk to you. Pile number 1. This person wants to reunite or reconcile sa'yo. Pero, takot tong makipag-communicate sa'yo. It can be guarded right now kasi alam niyang may kasalanan siya sa'yo. Pwedeng iniwanan ka nito. When things get hard, pwedeng inabandon ka nitong person na to. Siguro this person gathering courage to talk to you, to call you. For some of you, pile number 1. Takot tong makipag-communicate. Pero this is a King of Swords. Unfinished business. We still have things to resolve and discuss. This person feels that meron kayong unfinished business, meron kayong hindi napag-usapan, meron kayong hindi naayos before. Kasi po pwedeng nagkaroon kayo biglaan ng ng no communication itong person na to. This person wants to talk to you, to talk about the past, to fix things. Okay. This person feels na meron kayong mga unresolved issues na hindi napag-usapan. Maybe this person feels defeated nga. So, let's see. Regret. I wish this never happened. This person regret hurting you. Pile number 1. Itong person na wants na maging intimate sa'yo, pile number 1. Or wants to have sex sa inyo is the past person because this person is regretting. This person, feeling niya, marami siyang pagkukulang sa inyo. Feeling niya, kulang yung effort na nagawa niya. Wants to talk to you. Unsatisfied on his his life right now. Unworthy. This person feels na unworthy siya to have you. Ano siya indecisive tong person na to. This person is daydreaming sa inyo, pile number 1. Ini-imagine ka nitong person na to. Okay. Ini-imagine ka niya and this person feels that you're irreplaceable sa buhay niya. Okay. Feeling niya ang dami niyang pagkukulang sa'yo. Maybe you are in a better position right now. Nakikita niyang you are improving, you are upgrading than before. So, tingnan natin. Ano bang nagustuhan nito sa'yo? Anong nararamdaman niya sa'yo? So, ilalayo ko na lang yung ating sexual magic. Okay. File number 1. Dito ko na lang ilalagay sa malayo para hindi tayo maano ni YouTube. Lower your volume, guys. Uy. The Hangman. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakuha na this person feels na ano kayo ngayon. Kasi no communication kayo nitong person na to eh. Left hanging. You left this person hanging. This person loves your boobie. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo nakikita ko long-legged woman. Maganda yung legs. Mahaba buhok. This person loves your body. Pile number 1. Iba sa inyo, this person love your smell. Oh. Take what's resonate, leave the rest, guys. Six of Wands. Uy. This person love your bum. Maybe malaki ang inyong booty. Okay? Diba? This person wants to offer you or give you flower, pero this person is afraid na i-refuse nyo yung ibibigay niya. Hindi nyo tanggapin yung ino-offer niya. Meron ako nakikita dito na this person is afraid na meron ako yung for some of you, this person wants to tie you. Okay, wants to tie you on a bed. Okay. For some of you, you love the color red. Mahilig sa dress. Mahilig sa coffee. With the 8 of Pentacles. Okay. Loves coffee. Or mahilig sa sweets. You could be a business woman, a business person. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Nilalayo ko lang guys yung ating sexual magic kasi para hindi tayo ma-censor ni YouTube. This person love your voice. Kung pwedeng magaling kang kumanta. File number 1. Oops. The High Priestess. Okay. For some of you, you could be intuitive or mysterious kind of a person, a very knowledgeable, smart. This person love your mind. Matalino ka. Okay, loves to read. Okay. Iba sa inyo mahilig sa halaman, mahilig sa nature, mahilig sa pusa. Mahilig sa hayop. You love to meron akong narinig na yung iba sa inyo mahilig mag-aral. Yung iba sa inyo, this person loves your bum, ha? Malaki ang inyong back. I hope naintindihan nyo kung ano yung ibig ko sabihin. Who has the hot sauce? File number 1. Who has the hot sauce? File number 1. Oops. The Empress, Earth sign. Uy. Could be a Taurus. Uy. You are a very mysterious kind of a woman. Maybe this person is overthinking or pwedeng hindi ka masyadong nagpo-post sa social media. Mahirap kang ma-reach. Mahirap kang makontak. Yung iba sa inyo, mahirap kontakin. Meron ako nakikita dito. You could be an earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Okay. An Empress. Maybe this person wants to have a child sa'yo. Gusto nitong magkaanak sa'yo. Okay. Kuha tayo ng another oracle deck, which is lovers or messages. Okay. Later. Pero kuha tayo ng true emotion. Okay. 4 na true emotion for pile number 1. So, tingnan natin. Ano pa yung kailangan nating malaman sa person na to? Nararamdaman niya. Okay. True emotion of this person na gustong maging intimate kay pile number 1. Maybe you have a long hair, pile number 1. Some of you has a short hair, ini-bob cut, okay. Cut hair or a long hair. May kulay ang buhok. For some of you, is straight ang buhok. Okay. O pwedeng nung naghiwalay kayo nitong person na to, pinaputulan mo yung buhok mo. Oh, not happy. This person is not happy, or it could be you are not happy to know that this person wants to be intimate sa inyo. Okay? Uy. Secluded, separation, reflecting, soul searching. Uy, this person maybe is being alone right now, siniseclude niya yung sarili niya from others because this person separate yung sarili niya sa ibang tao, ayaw mo nang makipag-usap, okay, sa ibang tao. Kasi this person is reflecting, thinking, okay, having a reflection right now. Oo, doon sa nangyari sa inyo from the past. And next card is pregnancy. Fake news, DNA. Uy! For some of you, meron ako nakuha dito ha. Maybe this person is nabalitaan niya. Nabalitaan niya na you are pregnant. Okay. Siguro iba sa inyo may partner na right now. In a new connection na right now. In a relationship na right now. And siguro narinig itong person na to na nagdadalang tao ka. Yung iba sa inyo ha. Meron akong narinig. And maybe this person is not happy nung marinig niya yung balita na yon. Okay. This person maybe wants to have a pregnancy test sa'yo or alam mo yon, have a DNA. Okay? Kasi siguro iniisip itong person na to, siya yung tatay. Siya yung tatay. Okay? And hindi yung person mo right now. Meron ako nakikitang ganun, ha? Bottom of the deck is massive regrets. This person is regretting, okay, doon sa ginawa niya sa inyo. Any big regret right now? You rejected this person. Maybe you already rejected this person. Sorry sa ingay ng pusa, guys. You reject this person, guys. Meron ako nakikita. Or feels rejected. Okay. This person... yung iba sa inyo, this person wants to trap you in pregnancy. Narinig ko, ha? O, di ba? Shocking news. Maybe this person hear a shocking news. Oo, may narinig to na balita. May narinig na balita about sa inyo maybe, ha? Yung iba sa inyo. Okay. Not happy in the situation. Okay, so kuha tayo ng messages para sa ating pile number 1. This is the last last oracle na kukunin natin. Last card for my pile 1. Gustong sabihin itong person na to sa inyo, guys. Message of this person sa ating pumili ng pile number 1. Oops. Why is it that you love me? Maybe this person is asking why you love him. Kasi this person feeling or alam niya siguro na he is unworthy of your love. Kasi sinaktan ka niya. Naging sneaky tong person na to. Pinagpalit ka niya. Iba sa inyo, pinagpalit ka niya sa iba. Or inabando na. Unfinished business. Unfinished business. Meron akong nakuha no communication kayo tong person na to. Natatakot tong person na to makapag-communicate sa inyo. I need to hold back my true feelings for you. Ano sabi ko, di ba? The Fool. Don't want to take a risk having a fear to talk to you. Urong-sulong tong person na to. It can, kasi nga this person is an air sign. Pabago-bago ng isip. I feel lonely. This person feels lonely without you. Pile number 1. Yung iba sa inyo po, pwedeng nakatrabaho mo to. Office affair. Meron ako nakita. My life is a mess right now. Indecisive tong person na to. Hindi okay ang life niya right now. Pabago-bago ng isip, urong-sulong. Bottom of the deck, I don't know who I am anymore. This person feels, hindi niya na alam yung sarili niya. Hindi niya nakilala yung sarili niya. Hindi niya alam ang gagawin. Ha? Hindi niya alam ang gagawin, guys. This person is indecisive. Yung iba yung may eagerness siya na kontakin ka. Pwede nga nireject mo tong person na to eh. Kinonta ka na niya tapos nireject mo siya eh. This person is regretting. Maybe takot tong person na to kontakin ka kasi alam niya na i-reject mo siya. Okay? So, pile number 1, this is your reading. Who has the hots for you? This is an ex-person, an ex from the past, okay? Who betray you, who being shady, puts you in a third party, who break your heart, okay? Who feels that meron unfinished business kayong dalawa. So, take what's resonate, guys. For some of you, it could be this is the father, okay? Yung kalibin ninyo or naging partner ninyo before na po pwedeng nabuntis ka na. Okay? Oo. This person is not happy and feeling rejected. Okay? This person knows that he or she is unworthy of your love. Okay, so if nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading ng pile number 1, please do subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, like this video, leave a comment, okay? Kung meron kayong mga requested topic pa, guys. Okay, so hindi ko napapatagalin. I will go to pile number 2. So, you are free to watch pile number 2. Okay? Baka meron kayong makuhang messages doon para sa inyo. So, pwede kayong manood ng pile number 2. Okay? So, punta na ako kay pile number 1. Ay, kay pile number 2, guys, ha? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye! If you choose pile number 2, with this hamburger, pwedeng iba sa inyo nagugutom, paborito ang hamburger. Meron ako narinig, Angel's Hamburger. This is your reading. Who has the hots for you? Okay, so this is 18 plus reading. Yung mga hindi pa 18 years old, pwede nang i-off yung video. Okay? Kasi hindi po pwede sa inyo to. Okay. So, I will use Sexual Magic card, Message of Love, okay, Tarot card, and another 2 Oracle cards for this reading, guys. Pile number 2. Who has the hots for you? Okay. And ano yung nararamdaman nitong person sa inyo? Let's start with your tarot card. Tarot card. Pile number 2. Who has the hots for you? Who wants to be intimate sa inyo? Anong nararamdaman niya ngayon? First card, High Priestess. So, could be Pisces, water sign. Okay. Give me 4 cards for pile number 2. Thank you. Again, lower your volumes kasi mamaya baka malakas yung labas nung ating sounds. Last one. Thank you. 9 of Cups, water sign. And bottom of the deck is the Sun. Leo. Uy. 6 of Pentacles, Earth sign. Uy, the Lovers. Justice card. 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Oh. Could be ano, this person is a wealthy kind of a person. Can be, can be a judge or with some kind of authority. May position na person. Pwedeng meron tong position sa trabaho or sa community. For some of you, this person, pile number 2, is a philanthropist. Mahilig tumulong. It can be a controlling, a soulmate. Pwedeng i-soulmate nyo. The Lover's card is here. Could be who wants to be intimate sa inyo, pile number 2, who has the hots for you. Kung meron kang partner right now, it could be your partner. Or, if you are in a FUBU connection, I don't judge. This is a free judgment reading or channel. This is your this is the person who has the hots for you. Itong person naka-FUBU mo or naka one night stand mo for some of you, Take what's resonate. Can be a judge, sabi ko nga, a policeman, attorney. Meron ako nakuha dito. In a justice system. Air sign again, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a water sign. This person think that ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya. Satisfied siya sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this person is a wealthy person. Could be a boss. Boss mo. Okay. Could be your boss. Tingnan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng message of love. Can be a businessman or a wealthy person. May katungkulan. Pwedeng policeman to, a judge. Meron ako nakita dito na may connection na yung iba sa inyo. This is a lover. Sabi ko nga, naka one night stand ninyo or naka fubo ninyo. This person wants to be intimate sa inyo again. Gossip card. I'm afraid of what other people will think. Oh, for some of you, this is a boss or a high authority kind of a person. And if this is a boss, or naka-MU mo na boss or anything, this person afraid baka i-judge siya ng ibang tao kasi nga po pwedeng higher position siya tapos ikaw is employee niya. It can be. Takot to sa chismis. Takot sa judgment ng ibang tao. Missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. Maybe this person, if this is a boss or a high authority, this person, alam niya na hindi kayo po pwedeng maging kayo. Po pwedeng, kasi nga dahil doon sa position niya, hindi po pwede, forbidden po pwedeng forbidden yung connection yung dalawa. Forbidden ang meron kayo, hindi po pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng connection. This person feel niya na may miss opportunity dito, sayang, nasasayangan siya. This person is holding back. I should have expressed myself better. This person is holding back his emotion or her emotion sa'yo. Kasi alam niya, hindi po pwede. Okay. This person is a higher kind of a person. Could be an official. It could be may katungkulan. Mataas ang katungkulan sa trabaho, sa community. Meron akong nakita. This person is nire-respeto ng maraming tao. And alam niya siguro na kapag nalaman ng ibang tao yung connections ninyo or meron sa inyo, takot siya na magkaroon ng judgment dito. Kasi feeling niya, mawawalan ng respeto sa kanya yung mga tao. Kung pwedeng nararamdaman mo na itong boss na to or kung sino man tong higher position person na to is nag-hold back. Alam mo rin na may something siya sa'yo. Values. We have too many differences. Diba? This person is a higher person. Magkaiba kayo. When it comes sa position, po pwedeng katrabaho mo to. Meron ako nakikita. Or this is a... Paano ko ba sabihin to? This person is nire-respeto sa community, sa company, or anything. Okay? Po pwedeng this is a love affair in trabaho. Okay? This person is a wealthy person. Different kayo ng position, different kayo ng... For some of you, different kayo ng na... It can be an age. Maybe this person is an older. You are mas younger dito sa person na to. Okay. This is a major choices. Alam niya na this person siguro is alam niya na may mawawala sa kanya if ipinursu ka niya. Pwedeng mawala sa kanya yung position niya. Oo. Meron tong power sa community or sa trabaho. Meron akong nakikita sa trabaho o sa business, okay. Higher ups, mas mataas na katungkulan, mas mataas sa'yo, hindi kayo parehas, okay. Meron akong nakikita, boss. So, tingnan natin sa sexual magic tarot. Pile number 2. So, tingnan natin. Give me 4 cards for my pile number 2. Uy. Knave of Chalices. Ace of Cups, if I'm not mistaken. My God. This person. This person wants to express yung feeling niya sa inyo. Kaso, hindi niya ma-express. Strength. Oh my God. For some of you, team this person. Kumbaga, this is a very masculine kind of a person and you are a very feminine person. You tame this person. Oh my God. This person is having difficulty right now. Wants to express his emotion. Kaso, this person is holding back. Gusto niyang i-express yung nararamdaman niya, express yung sarili niya. Kaso, hindi niya alam kung paano. Hindi niya alam kung paano. Kasi nga, natatakot siya sa sasabihin ng mga tao na nakasurround sa inyo. Pile number 2. Ang dami the moon. A water sign. This person love your boobies. This person wants to go sa malayo. Sa hidden. This person, secrets. O pwedeng hindi mo alam to, secret niya to, gusto niya na-express yung sarili niya. This person like you. Okay. Or this is a work affair. It can be, This is hidden, a secret. Meron akong nakikita, secret to. An affair. Oh my gosh. File number 2, you are having an affair with a higher position. Okay. Queen of Wands, you're very beautiful. Oh my God, you contain this person. This person is going insane sa'yo. And it can be bottom of the deck, King of Wands, Queen of Wands. You are a perfect match. Sana, kung same lang sana kayo ng rank siguro or pwedeng it can be a job eh. Kasi meron akong nakita dito na ano to eh. This is a secret. Hidden. Mm-mm. Pwede siguro meron kayong hidden connection. It can be. I'm not judging. Or pwedeng hindi mo pa to alam na this person wants you, wants to be intimate sa inyo. This person is hot na hot sa inyo. Ha? Pile number 2. This person having a difficulty to express his self sa inyo. Kasi nga natatakot siya sa sasabihin ng iba. Round and round and round. This person is round and round and round. Pwedeng wealthy person to, tapos ikaw parang feeling mo hindi kayo bagay. Kasi marami kayong pagkakaiba. Can be this person is a wealthy person nga. Take what's resonate. So, tingnan natin. Uy. Divine feminine. It could be a divine feminine, a very feminine. Sabi ko, di ba kanina? You are a very feminine person. Yes. Sexy. Alluring. A queen of wands. Oh, anong sabi ko? This person wants to snatch you and go somewhere sa malayo. Yung walang nakakakilala sa kanya. Yung malaya kayong may express ang isa't isa. Okay. The moon. Yung gusto niyang tumakas kayo sa reality, parang ganon, sa realidad. Oo. Tingnan pa natin, guys. Uy. Secluded, separation, reflecting, soul searching. Oh my gosh. In reverse, this person don't want to, ayaw niya magkahiwalay kayo. Oo. Maybe this person holding back nga. Hindi nagtatapat. Siguro, mas okay na, feeling niya mas okay na yung ganun. Kasi, parang hindi siya ma-separate sa'yo. Turning your back. O, di ba? This person, in reverse tumalsik in reverse. This person don't want to turn back sa inyo. Ayaw ka nitong talikuran. Ayaw ka nitong mapalayo sa kanya. Kaya siguro nag-hold back siya. Mas pinili niyang the strength card is here. Nagpapakatatag to, mas pinili niyang iting yung sarili niya. Mas pinili niyang pigilan yung sarili niya. Okay. And maybe this person is afraid na mamaya baka it's too late. It's too late na kapag halimbawang ready na siya na i-express yung emotion niya at pwede na maging kayo, is maging miss opportunity ka sa kanya. Oh my gosh. Sex addiction. This person is addicted sa'yo. My gosh. This person is addicted. Don't want to separate sa'yo. Okay. Huh? Ayaw kanyang talikuran. It can be you, pile number 2, ha? Yung ayaw mong talikuran tong person na to. Ayaw mong mawala yung connection ninyo. Wala akong nakikitang married, kasal dito, ha? Wala akong nakikitang may partner dito. This is a secret affair, a secret love on someone. Okay? I am blocked. Huh? Maybe this person is blocked. Yung mind niya. Hindi siya makapag-isip ng maayos. Hmm. Why do I deserve someone like you? Yung iba sa inyo ha, for some of you, ikaw, ikaw yung parang nagre-refuse dito sa connection kasi feeling mo hindi kayo bagay. Why do I deserve someone like you? Or it can be this person is asking, why do I deserve someone like you? Pile number 2. Hmm? Ayaw ka nitong saktan. Siguro ayaw nitong person na to na talikuran mo siya or iwanan mo siya or lumayo ka sa kanya. Can be ayaw nitong magkaroon ng disconnection sa'yo. Okay. I wish I could understand you. This person alam na nahihirapan ka. Ha? Or siguro, hindi, meron sa inyo hindi alam yung nararamdaman ng other person eh. Kaya nahihirapan yung isa sa inyong dalawa. Take what's resonate kung sino. Please do what is best for your heart. Oh my gosh. Please do what is best for your heart. Sundin daw ang puso. So, this love is crazy. So, pile number 2, sundin daw ang puso. Please do what's best for your heart. It can be you is the one telling this message dito sa person na to. Do what's best for your heart or this person yung nagsasabi na sundin yung mas makakabuti or sinisigaw ng puso. Oh my gosh. Yung isa dito, siguro hindi na makapagpigil, wants to show yung emotion niya dun sa other person, wants to go away, run away with this person. Okay? Ah, Humahanap lang to ng tamang tiyempo. Hmm. For some of you naman po, pwedeng hindi nyo alam to. If this is a boss, hindi mo alam to. Na this person is crazy over you, want to be intimate sa'yo. Kasi this person is gandang-ganda sa'yo, sexy-sexy sa'yo. Love your body, love your boobie. You tame this person, you are the divine feminine. And this is the divine masculine. Mhm. Hindi ito makapagpigil. You're very beautiful. Signify a queen of wands. You are a queen of wands in a tarot card. So, very confident. Uh, irresistible, very sexy, very feminine. Okay? A passionate kind of a person. Maybe this person looks at you na ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya, ikaw yung tipo niyang babae, ikaw yung gustong-gusto niya na makasama. Hindi siya makapagpigil. Gusto niyang dalhin ka na sa area na walang nakakakilala sa inyo, malayo sa mga taong mapanghusga. Pile number 2. Okay, so pile number 2, this is your reading. Take what's resonate, leave the rest. Kung nag-resonate sa inyo to, please do subscribe if di ka pa nakasubscribe. Leave a comment kung nag-resonate sa inyo to. And please, pwede kayong mag-request ng any topic, okay? And if you are called to donate, you may do so kasi nasa description box naman po yung details how to donate, okay? Malaking tulong po yun sa akin, kay Leluna, okay? Para mas mapaganda pa natin yung ating reading, okay? So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Happy weekends. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Pwede kang manood ng pile number 1 kung hindi nag-resonate sa'yo to kasi pwedeng may messages sa'yo doon. Okay. So, maraming salamat guys sa inyo. Okay. I already reached my 2K subscribers. So, we have 2,190 plus na sa ating community. So, maraming salamat guys sa inyong suporta. Okay. You may share this video, okay, sa iba para makita nila, baka makatulong sa iba, mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nila, okay. So, maraming salamat. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Bye!